right, well, thanks for tuning in. We've got another auction arrival. It's kind of interesting. I'm going to show it to you here in a minute. It always humors me how some of these vehicles come in. I've actually got this vehicle running now. We're going to do a quick little road test on it. We're going to make sure everything's okay with it and see if I need to send it out for service. I know it's going to need oil change, you know, just your basic stuff, but I'm going to see if it needs anything beyond that. But when these trucks come in, they just humor the crap out of me. So here it is. It's a 2016 Chevy Silverado double cab. It's got all the weird ass lights, and this guy must have been a mechanic. Keep your dick beaters off my tools. and he was serious about it. So nice that he stuck it twice. Not a horrible truck. Like I said, right at 100,000 miles. 5.3 V8 automatic Snell T, so it's got the nicer screen. So one thing, it's got these goofy ass lights, which we may take off, but like I said, only 100,000 miles. The body appears to be in good shape. They just dropped this off to me this weekend, so let me hop in it. We're gonna go road test it, make sure it's okay. The interior's a little dirty. That's gonna be the controls for your lights, but four-wheel drive, I'm gonna have to get her cleaned up a little bit. But it's got, I don't know what that trim piece is back there, but we'll figure it out. Let's hop in this damn thing, take her for a spin. So I've had her running, got good heat, all that good stuff. I mean, dash is in good shape. Turn that blower down. Right. You know what? He wants people to keep dick beaters off his tools. Well, he should keep his tools out of my truck. We'll toss that down there. Let me get the seatbelt on. All right. Going back route, make sure backup camera works. Definitely does that. 100,562 miles. So I've actually got a route. I'm taking a new route. It's about a 12-mile trip. 6 miles there, 6 miles back. Will give us a little bit of time to check this thing out. See how she shifts. I don't know if I'm getting... Make sure the heat gets hot. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're good. Alright, it says I need to calibrate the old compass. But we'll take her on up the road. We'll get on out of here. Let me get my strap around my wrist. Alright. Y'all are probably getting nothing but the felony forest. And let's see if we can get this. I don't need the felony forest. You don't either. Alright. Maybe got a little bit of exhaust on it. There we go. Shift's good. Good gears, and I'm just looking for stuff we can arbitrate with the auction. I want to make sure the engines are good, transmission's not slipping, and then just basically get an idea of what we need to get this thing lot ready. It looks like not a whole lot. You know, it's going to need an oil change. I mean, driving down the road, it feels pretty good. It's tracking well. I mean, doesn't feel like it's pulling. Transmission feels like it shifts good. Let me get up to the turnaround spot and we'll give her a little bit closer look. All right, we've made it to our turnaround. Let me go ahead and get back out here on the road. Scoot the seat up a little bit. That thing drives out good. I manually shifted through the gears just to make sure there's no transmission chatter or anything crazy like that. But seems fine. We're going to drive it back and see what we think. I mean, it's got good equipment, power seat, dual zone digital climate. Like I said, it's a 2016 model. It's got right at 100,000 miles. Like I said, this one just come in from the auction. So we've been getting some auction vehicles delivered to us. I've been road ready in a lot of them, just driving them, seeing what they need. Some of them have been nice, where all I've had to do is send them out to get oil changes. Some of them, I've had 2 or 3 lot ready, but I've had some that's needed a significant amount of stuff. This one doesn't really need much. I'm at a few cleanup issues, an oil change. Looks like maybe I got to fix a little spot in the windshield. Looks like I got a little star that needs to be filled. But not a bad truck. The weather's starting to get better. We're actually getting into the busy season at the dealership. We've had 2 big old months. My inventory right now is flat decimated. I'm low on cars, and tax time hasn't even really started for us yet. I mean, we've seen a little bit of money, but we're trying to hurry up and get cars in and through the process as fast as we can. So kind of speed things up. We're starting to get some up here to drive. I mean, I've worked as a used car manager and I've appraised vehicles, so you know, I know kind of what we need to look for. So this one, I mean, is really not bad. I think I'm gonna have to clean it up. I'm doing oil change. Suspension feels good. 4-wheel drive locked in just fine. I didn't notice any odd noises or matter of fact, I'm gonna run this thing back and forth. Let me just shift it. Yeah, I mean, I'm running 50 mile an hour in 4-wheel drive now. So, I mean, this will probably be a good one. I'm going to try to put a lot more content out this month. The weather's been better. I've actually gotten into the Grand Caravan. I picked up a new project van. Some more details on that to come, but I got a couple things changing on the personal vehicle side. Going to have some interesting stuff for you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. We're almost back to the dealership. I think it's a pretty good truck. If you like watching stuff like this, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Try to have a lot more videos this month. I've been slacking a little bit. The weather's been really bad. It's been the worst winter we've had here in probably 15 years. So weather hasn't really cooperated. We've been busy. We've sold a lot of cars. I had a really good month last month, so thankful for that. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you again in the next one. I should have one together shortly. I'll see you then.